Okay, hi everyone. Welcome. Here is actually a brand new setup today, and it's at a brand new place. Even though from the screen right now you see it's like as usual, but actually we did a setup. It's a very simple setup this time around. But let me intro to you first from the glass itself and to the lightings. What we actually use up is actually much more simplified, and actually is an improved version. So the version for this glass panel is actually 2.0, which is actually a tempered glass compared to previous time. And second thing is, this is point number one. Second thing is the thickness wise we are still using the same, which is using 0.5 centimeter thickness times 1.6 meter length and times 0.9 meter wide. Besides this, we also are looking for this glass panel. This time around, the LED actually we use is 120 LEDs per meter. And the result itself, it seems, is much more clearer and wider. And also, if you can see from my marker pen that I'm using right now, compared to the previous filming, the wordings came out. White is actually really pure white, and blue is actually really blue color, and you can see the red color is very obvious. And what we actually also provide right now is just a 3 times 6 meter black color backdrop cloth, and also beside this we also provide with two set of standing lightings to balance out the color temperature of my face. So what do you think? Do you have any feedback that you like, or you like to know more? Please contact us.